Hi, let me show you how to enable and disable eye tracking feature on iPhone 16e. For that, we are going to go in iPhone settings and in the list find accessibility. After that, if you scroll a bit down, you should see section eye tracking. So please note that this feature is available only from iOS 18. Now before enabling, we can adjust smoothing. So here you can read about it. Let's set it to the middle. Also, you can enable snap to item, zoom on keyboard keys, auto hide, and dwell control. Right now, to start using eye tracking, we need to toggle on the switch and follow the dot with eyes as it moves around the screen. So I'm gonna follow the dot and let's just wait. And now eye tracking is on, so you can see this dot and you can see that tabs on which I'm looking are now highlighted like that. So we can also use fingers with this feature, so you can manually swipe, tap, and so on. But basically, you can just take a long look at the app you wanna open. And as you can see, it is working. For me, this feature is uncomfortable, but it is still worth the try. Now, to turn it off, go back in same setting and simply toggle off the switch near eye tracking like that. Then confirm that you want to turn off by tapping yes. And now it is turned off. That's it for today. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.